Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review of the latest product by Wishful. Wishful is the skincare brand created by Huda Beauty, and this is the Honey Whip Peptide Moisturizer. Now I have been using this for exactly 1 month, like I've literally timed it to the day. It came out at the beginning of September and I have used this every single day for the entire month, morning and night. And that's the reason why I am now doing a review for you guys, to let you guys know what my thoughts are about this product. Now it retails at £37. Wishful Skincare is not an affordable skincare brand by any means. However, it is obviously down to personal choice about whether or not you believe that this is worth £37 or not. Based on my experience of using it, I'll let you know what my thoughts are, and obviously you can make your own decision based on that. So first off, it comes in this cardboard packaging, which is nice and recyclable. And the good thing about this is it also comes with a free product inside. It comes with a little sachet of the Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. I'm not a big fan of this scrub, to be honest. I've done a review of this in the past. Feel free to do a search and check it out. But for those of you that do want to give it a go for the first time, if you've never tried it, you will get this free with it. And the packaging itself is classic kind of Wishful pastel sort of colours in this plastic packaging. And it has the holographic logo on there, and then you open it up and then that actually comes up, the inside actually comes out. Mine just kind of stuck, which is fine. And then inside is the product itself, which you can see right here. Now altogether you get 55 grams of product, which is pretty decent, and I would say, considering I've been using this as part of my morning skincare routine and nighttime, I would say that this is probably going to last you between 3 to 4 months if you use it every single day, morning and night. Some people will maybe only use it in the daytime, some will only use it at the night time. It's completely up to you. But what I'm going to do now is, before I show you how to use it, let me just read to you from Huda Beauty's website direct what this product actually says and whether or not I agree with it based on my experience of using it every single day for the past 30 days. So it says, loaded with powerful natural extracts and potent actives like manuka honey, cica, peptides and collagen, this rich but lightweight whipped cream moisturizer helps to firm, lift, repair and plump the skin, as well as reduce redness and even out your complexion. Honey Whip Peptide Moisturizer is also non-comedogenic, which means it doesn't clog your pores, and dermatologist tested. It says that its key ingredients are manuka honey, which is a super moisturizing ingredient packed with antioxidant properties that help smooth, soften, soothe and calm the skin, which I completely agree with. I am somebody who suffers from blepharitis. It's actually one of my most popular videos of how I dealt with mine and how I treated mine, and one of the key ingredients was using manuka honey on my eyes. So in that respect, it's great for soothing and calming the skin and helping with any kind of redness as well. Cica, which is well known in Korean skincare, and you guys know I know my Korean skincare because I use it daily. This iconic ingredient is known for its soothing properties and reducing redness in the skin. So for those of you that have got inflamed skin, acne prone skin, sensitive skin, sunburnt skin, Cica is a great ingredient to use. And it contains peptides, which are there to help to firm the skin, lift and reduce fine lines, encouraging skin cell turnover and create fresh collagen. So basically peptides help in terms of your skin barrier, to strengthen your skin barrier, to plump up your skin as well. And then collagen, which is definitely one of my favorite ingredients. Anything with collagen in and I am there. And it says legit the key to youthful looking, firm and plump skin. Now the reason why I'm such a big fan of collagen is because as of now, as of today, I am now 39 years old. I do not have any wrinkles, mashallah, touch wood, on my face at all. I don't have any signs of aging yet, and a lot of that has to do with the skincare that I use, my lifestyle, and the fact that I'm obviously Asian, South Asian, and also because I use a lot of collagen in my skincare as well. Collagen is something that is naturally found in the skin anyway, but what happens with age is that it tends to kind of start to disappear a little bit. So it's nice to have skincare which contains it already in order to plump up and keep your skin looking nice and youthful. Now, another one of the ingredients, and I'm kind of surprised that they didn't mention it because it's actually higher up than all the other ones that they've mentioned, is it's got niacinamide in it. Niacinamide is definitely something that everybody should use in their skincare, no matter what their skin type is like. But specifically, niacinamide is great for pore care, for clearing out your pores, for smoothing your skin out, For people that have got acne prone skin, you will definitely love niacinamide, and this is one of the main ingredients in here, as well as glycerin, which is a great moisturizing agent. And then in terms of the honey extract, in terms of the Centella asiatica extract, as well as the madagascar, as well as the collagen, as well as sodium hyaluronate, all of these are quite high up on the list in terms of their ingredients, meaning they have not scrimped on this whatsoever. By the way, Wishful ingredients are actually made in Korea as well, so that's always a good sign that they have been made in the kind of labs that are probably one of the best in the world. And what it says on the box, just to add to what I've already said, is that it says it's gentle, simple and effective. It gives your skin a collagen boost, evens out your skin tone, firms and lifts and plumps up the skin. Now I have to actually say, after using this for a month, I have to 100% agree. I actually noticed a difference after the first use, and the first use was at night time. It was the last step in my skincare routine. When I woke up in the morning, I was like, oh my god, my skin feels so soft, it feels so plump, it feels absolutely great, it feels amazing. Now the one thing that you have to bear in mind with this is that, unlike the previous moisturizer, I can't remember what it was called, honey balm or something, which I really didn't like. It was really oily, quite greasy. Wishful say that you should mainly use it at night time, but at the time when it was first released, it was not marketed as using it at night time. I used it and I just did not like it. Again, I've done a review of it, of a 1 month wear, please feel free to check it out. But this, on the other hand, I think is absolutely excellent. Where that failed for me, this one ticked every single box. I absolutely love it. Now a little bit goes a really long way. When I say a little bit, I literally mean like that much. That much is enough to cover the entire one side of my face. And that's exactly what you'll see me doing in this video today. I literally dot it in the normal places, my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, my chin and my neck area, and then blend it all in. Now it sits on the skin absolutely beautifully. I love the way that it blends into the skin, the way that it sinks into the skin, the way it absorbs super fast. There is no greasy feeling, there's no sticky tackiness either, and the way that it absorbs means that all my makeup and even my sunscreen afterwards sits beautifully on the skin. There's no moving around, there's no shininess or anything like that, which is why I would say that this would work great for all skin types, whether you've got oily skin, combination skin, dry skin, sensitive skin or mature skin. It's got a really nice kind of whipped texture, which is obviously why it's called Honey Whip. And I like the fact that you only need to use a little bit for it to spread out evenly all over the face. My skin feels plump, it feels hydrated, it feels smooth. I've had literally not a single spot appear on my face since I've been using this. I generally don't tend to get spots that much anymore, but on those days when I don't wear makeup, which does happen sometimes, I have a habit of sitting like this at my desk at work. I am a face toucher, and unfortunately when that happens, I will always guaranteed come out with a spot because of the natural oils in the skin on your fingers, dirt you've picked up throughout the day, whatever it may be, transfers onto your face, voila, the next day I will get a spot. That's how sensitive my skin is and how quick it is to react to external factors. Now, ever since I've been using this, not a single spot has appeared on my skin. My skin looks fresh, it looks youthful, it looks plumped, it looks great, it evens out my skin. Every morning I wake up, my skin looks clear, it looks refreshed, it looks gorgeous. I love the way that this performs in that you can use it as part of your morning skincare routine, and you can still use it as part of your nighttime skincare routine. And if you want a little bit of extra nourishment, you can apply a little bit more, but personally I don't really think it's needed. It moisturizes the skin to the point where you do not need to apply anything more rich on top. There is this kind of mindset where the more rich a product is, the better it performs, and that's not necessarily true. Maybe back in the day, like 20 years ago, but these days the way that skincare has advanced is that even the really lightweight kind of products work perfectly well for moisturizing and hydrating your skin from within. It has got a scent to it for those of you that may be concerned, but it's not too strong, it's not off-putting. It kind of smells like some sort of honey. It's nothing bad, and the scent definitely does not last on the skin at all. But personally, I think a lot of you, if you are interested in this, have been thinking about potentially purchasing this, you will not be disappointed at all. I'm actually really happy with this product. I'm going to continue to use it up until I finish it, or probably, knowing me, because I have so much skincare, so much Korean skincare, I'll probably move on to something new, but that's because I was trialing this out in order to do this review after using it for a full 30 odd days. I'm somebody who also tends to go red because I've got quite sensitive skin. So depending on my mood, depending on what I've been doing that day, my cheeks just go red. It's generally a sign of my mood, to be honest. If I get angry, my cheeks go red. But sometimes when I wake up in the morning, I've got naturally red cheeks. It's annoying because I have to then use makeup to cover it up. But ever since I've been using this, I've noticed that I've not been waking up with like rosy cheeks, and this definitely helps with the redness as well. In terms of whether this helps with anti-aging, again, I can't necessarily say, purely because of the fact that I don't have any age-related issues yet. However, I like to be able to tell you guys that as somebody who is 40 next year, this is how my skin is looking, and a lot of that has to do with me continuously using this. So for those of you that have got fine lines, want to smooth them out, want to even them out slightly, plump up your skin with the collagen which is in here, you would definitely find this beneficial. So overall, I would actually give this a 10 out of 10. I think this is probably the first product by Wishful that I've given a 10 to, but I can't lie to you guys, I've used it every single day. I think it's absolutely lovely. I really love this product. I just love the way that it's so quick and so easy as well. You don't have to rub for ages for it to sink into the skin. You just literally apply it quickly all over your face, and then you can get on with applying your sunscreen, or you can just go to bed. There's no tackiness, there's no stickiness, there's no heavy feeling to this because it's got that really lightweight whipped kind of texture. So that's it for my review of the Wishful Honey Whip Peptide Moisturizer. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you've got any comments or questions about this product, feel free to ask me below. Other than that, I hope you guys are wonderful and great, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.